When you hold out your fist in front of a bush baby, it immediately gets drawn in, staring at your hand with curiosity, as if it can't wait to discover what surprise is hiding inside. And if it turns out to be its favorite food, its eyes light up instantly. Sometimes it gets so excited that it suddenly jumps right onto your hand without hesitation. Interestingly, bush babies also love being scratched. If you gently pet a bush baby the right way, it may slowly extend its tiny hand as if begging you not to stop. This isn't just a sign of affection, it's also one of the ways they express their emotions. Bush babies are lively and playful by nature, with endless curiosity and energy. They love exploring around the house or practicing parkour along the walls, leaping across furniture with incredible precision. And if they decide you're part of their obstacle course, then you're no exception either. They may leap over for a treat, then instantly launch themselves right back again. What makes them even cuter is the way they look around. A bush baby's eyes cannot move inside their sockets, so whenever they want to look to the side, they have to tilt their entire head instead, giving them an unbelievably adorable appearance. It's also worth mentioning that although a bush baby is only about the size of a squirrel, it has astonishing jumping ability. Thanks to its powerful hind legs, it can launch itself like a projectile and leap over 2 meters high in a single jump.